everyone. We are going to tell about social activity. Duties of collector. All other departments in district. Medical and Health Department. The District Medical and Health Department DMHD in Andhra Pradesh, India includes several departments and programs. Maternal and Child Health, National Health Missions, School Health Program.
Education Department. The District Education Office DEO is the district level education department that management the educational, administrative and legal activities of school in a district.
Revenue Department, the district level Revenue Department is responsible for collecting tax, fees and land revenue and for maintaining land records.
The Police Department at the district level in India is led by the Superintendent of Police SP. The SP is responsible for maintaining law and order and other law enforcement actions in the district.
Municipal Department at the Municipal Department includes health, engineering, town planning, general administration, revenue, welfare and education.
Public Work Department at the district level, at the Public Work Department, PWD is typically represented by the divisional engineer who oversees the construction and maintenance of public infrastructure like road, bridges, government building with the district.
Agriculture Department. The Agriculture Department at the district level in Andhra Pradesh is added by the Joint Director of Agriculture. Thank you.